Good morning. Mental health is a hot topic right now, and it is important to take care of your mental health, just like it's important to take care of your physical health. But mental health is not just an adult issue. As parents, we need to be paying attention to the mental health of our children as well. One of the most common mental health problems of children is anxiety. But anxiety in children doesn't always look the same way it does in adults, and children don't always know how to tell us what they're feeling. So if you want to try to spot anxiety in your own kids, look for mental and physical symptoms. Maybe avoiding the situation that causes anxiety, clinginess, trouble sleeping, or headaches, stomach aches, and sweating. Those could all be signs of anxiety. And as parents, we want to be able to recognize anxiety so that we can help our children learn how to cope with their anxiety in a healthy way. That doesn't mean eliminating the anxiety for them. It doesn't mean taking away things that make them feel anxious, but just helping them to learn how to deal with it on their own. One way that children and adults can deal with anxiety is with breathing exercises. So there is something called 4-7-8 breathing that you could do as an adult or with older children, where you take a breath in through the nose to the count of 4, hold that breath for the count of 7, and then slowly let the breath out through the mouth to the count of 8. For children who are not old enough to count that many times, you can just have them take 3 deep breaths. When my own children were small, I told them, take a deep breath and try to blow the hair on my head. And I would do that with them. So I'd say, okay, deep breath, and show them how to do it. Another way to help children ease their own anxiety is to walk them through an activity called the 5 senses meditation. And so as a parent, you'll sit with your children and ask them, tell me 5 things in this room you can see. What are 4 things in this room you can hear? What are 3 things in this room you can smell? What are 2 things in this room you can feel? And what is 1 thing in this room you can taste? And this activity has a very calming effect, and it can help children come back to the here and now instead of in their head worrying about whatever it is that's causing their anxiety.